friends, welcome back to our channel. Today let's learn some one-word substitutions. A long paragraph said by a person is called a monologue. A talk between two or more people is called a dialogue. A formal argument or discussion is called a debate. A talk given to teach or explain is called a lecture. A small class for discussion is called a seminar. A big meeting for people is called conference. A formal meeting on a subject is called a symposium. A class with hands-on practice is called a workshop. Showing or explaining something is called an presentation. An act of showing how something works is called demonstration. Telling a story is called a narration. Explaining about how something looks or feels like is called a description. Talking about something with others is called a discussion. Telling news information quickly is called an announcement. A short, simple message is called a statement. A strong public announcement is called a declaration. A formal talk in public is called a speech. A formal speech to a group is addressing. Talking with someone is called a conversation. A gathering for discussion is called a meeting. Talking after a task is done is called debrief. A response or opinion about something is called feedback. An account of what happened is called a report. A question-answer session is called an interview. Short version of something long is called a summary. So, those are some one-word substitutions. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.